From our clean and exterior clean Melbourne. We're on a building wash, as you can see here, a commercial building wash. I'm actually using a scissor lift to be able to stand on this roof, and I'm going to show you here. This is a concrete tilt panel building, so with paint, obviously, so painted. And they want to see what results they can get cleaning it before they repaint. The reality is, even if you are going to repaint, and you don't know that you don't know if you need to do that until you clean it, you're going to have to clean it anyway. You can't repaint without. But you can see here, this is our chemical application that we are putting on that kills the spores, the mold spores. Look at how effective that is already. And this hasn't even had any dwell time on the surface yet. So getting great results there, which is really good. So we're just going to coat all the paneling. And we'll access the rest. You can see all that brown residue. That's all organic matter that's being killed. And that's just coming off the paneling beautifully. So there we go. Basically we do this with the whole building, and then we will use a soft pressure or low pressure rinse to remove the remaining aspects of mold and mildew. First thing we want to do is we want to kill all the spores. Okay, so this is the other really moldy patch that we had. I'm going to show you here how we can clean with no damage whatsoever to the property. It's like an eraser, like a magic eraser. And you can see here where we've sprayed the chemical and cleaned it. Look at that compared to where we haven't. You can see how grey and dirty it is. That goes to show very clearly a really nice view of what this chemical clean can do. And if you look down on the bottom there, you'll see all that dirt. That's all organic matter that is flowing off the concrete, down on the floor, down into the drain. So if you need someone who knows what they're doing and also has the gear and equipment and know-how, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you and offer a quote. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.